Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who wrote The Unfortunate Traveller, 1594? A. Thomas Nashe, B. Thomas Delany, C. John Lyly, D. Robert Greene. The right answer is option A. Thomas Nashe. It is considered an early picaresque prose work in English. The narrative blends satire, travel, and episodic adventure. Next question. The first English tragedy written in blank verses, A. Gorboduc, B. The Spanish Tragedy, C. Tamburlaine, D. Arden of Faversham. The right answer is option A. Gorboduc, written by Sackville and Norton. It introduced blank verse to English drama. Next question. Who authored Religio Medici? A. Jeremy Taylor, B. Thomas Browne, C. Richard Hooker, D. John Donne. The right answer is option B. Thomas Browne. It is a prose meditation on faith and science. The style reflects Baroque intellectualism. Next question. The poem The Hind and the Panther was written by A. Alexander Pope, B. John Dryden, C. Samuel Butler, D. Matthew Prior. The right answer is option B. John Dryden. It is an allegorical defense of Catholicism. Religious controversy shapes its symbolism. Next question. Who wrote The Anatomy of Melancholy, 1621? A. Robert Burton, B. Francis Bacon, C. Thomas Hobbes, D. John Selden. The right answer is option A. Robert Burton. The work blends psychology, philosophy, and literature. It reflects Renaissance encyclopedic scholarship. Next question. The novel Caleb Williams was written by A. Tobias Smollett, B. William Godwin, C. Horace Walpole, D. Anne Radcliffe. The right answer is option B. William Godwin. It is an early political novel. Themes of surveillance and tyranny dominate. Next question. Who wrote The Egoist? A. George Gissing, B. Thomas Hardy, C. George Meredith, D. Samuel Butler. The right answer is option C. George Meredith. The novel examines Victorian ego and gender politics. It employs psychological realism. Next question. The publication year of The Origin of Species is A. 1849, B. 1855, C. 1859, D. 1865. The right answer is option C. 1859. Darwin's work influenced Victorian thought. It challenged traditional religious beliefs. Next question. The play Riders to the Sea was written by A. W. B. Yeats, B. J. M. Sanji, C. Sean O'Casey, D. Lady Gregory. The right answer is option B. J. M. Sanji. It portrays Aran Island tragedy. Fatalism dominates the narrative tone. Next question. The concept of archetype in literary criticism is central to A. Carl Jung, B. Northrop Frye, C. Joseph Campbell, D. all of the above. The right answer is option D. all of the above. Each theorist expanded archetypal analysis. Mythic patterns shape narrative structures. Next question. The poem The Defense of Guinevere was written by A. Dante Gabriel Rossetti, B. William Morris, C. Christina Rossetti, D. Algernon Swinburne. The right answer is option B. William Morris. It reflects pre-Raphaelite medievalism. The dramatic monologue technique is central. Next question. Who wrote The City of Dreadful Night? A. James Thomson, B. Arthur Symons, C. Ernest Dowson, D. Lionel Johnson. The right answer is option A. James Thomson. It presents bleak urban pessimism, often linked to late Victorian despair. Next question. The author of The Souls of Black Folk is A. Booker T. Washington, B. Frederick Douglass, C. W. E. B. Du Bois, D. James Baldwin. The right answer is option C. W. E. B. Du Bois. It introduces concept of double consciousness. The text blends sociology and lyricism. Next question. Who wrote The Second Sex? A. Simone de Beauvoir, B. Julia Kristeva, C. Luce Irigaray, D. Ellen Sixhouse. The right answer is option A. Simone de Beauvoir. It is foundational feminist philosophy. Gender is socially constructed in her thesis. Next question. Who wrote The Famished Road? A. Wole Soyinka, B. Chinua Achebe, C. Ben Okri, D. Ngugi wa Thiong'o. The right answer is option C. Ben Okri. It blends realism with mythic vision. Won the Booker Prize. Next question. The term metahistory is associated with A. Hayden White, B. Michel Foucault, C. Paul Ricoeur, D. Jacques Le Goff. The right answer is option A. Hayden White. He analyzed narrative structure in historiography. History is shaped by literary tropes. Next question. The novel Season of Migration to the North was written by A. Tayyib Saleh, B. Naguib Mahfouz, C. Ahdaf Soif, D. Assia Jaya. The right answer is option A. Tayyib Saleh. The novel critiques colonial encounter. It reverses Heart of Darkness trajectory. Next question. Who wrote The Grass is Singing? A. Doris Lessing, B. Nadine Gordimer, C. J. M. Coetzee, D. Bessie Head. The right answer is option A. Doris Lessing. Set in colonial Rhodesia, examines racial tension and isolation. Next question. The author of The Pillow Book is A. Murasaki Shikibu, B. C. Shomgong, C. Basho, D. Kenko. The right answer is option B. C. Shomgong. It is a Japanese court diary. Reflects Heian aesthetic sensibility.